This exact real request gets genuinely blocked by the browser. Let's see the real fix, one response header at a time. The same origin policy means a real request to a different protocol, host, or port genuinely counts as cross-origin. A cross-origin request without permission is actually still sent, but the browser blocks the page's own JavaScript from reading the response, which is the real, common source of confusion. The server has to explicitly send a real access control allow origin header to permit it, and this whole mechanism is enforced by the browser itself, not the server, specifically to protect real users. Real origin number 1 protocol, host, and this specific real port together define what counts as the same origin. Wrapping this real request in try-catch, since a blocked CORS request genuinely throws in the browser. This real target is a different port, a genuinely different origin, even though the host is identical. This real line never actually runs yet. The browser blocks the response before JavaScript can touch it. Never reached in the blocked real case. This real catch block is what actually fires a genuine type error visible in the browser's own console. This is exactly what the blocked screenshot shows. The request never even got a chance to update the real UI. The fix lies entirely on the server being called, not the page making the request. This one real header is what genuinely tells the browser any origin may read this response, and the exact same client code now succeeds. Access control allow origin, https://my-real-app.com genuinely restricts which sites can read the response, instead of allowing literally any site on the internet. The browser genuinely sends an options request automatically before the real one, checking permission before ever sending the actual data. This whole real mechanism only exists for cross-origin calls. A request to the exact same real origin the page came from never needs a single CORS header. Next, making a real request more resilient with caching and automatic retries.